I was very fortunate as a child to grow up in Western North America, where at least at the time, which was a long time ago, 5-6 decades ago, is that we had lots of wild rivers. The rivers, many rivers throughout the world that are unimpeded like this, they move back and forth very, very quickly and almost continuously. We find that in places where we see effective catchment management, one of the things that we always see with this is that people are involved, and it's everybody from the households and the individual farms to community meetings, but also there's a good communication with government and decision makers and so forth, and that they all end up from the individual in the home to your senators, to the leaders of your country and your region, that all of them are working together basically as one unit.
And these are all the large dams that will be built, most likely, within the next 30 years. And you see the areas where we see this huge boom in dam construction. It's the Amazon. We have seen these very nice pictures of the Amazon where you need this long connectivity. This will face a huge boom in dams there. We will have this in Central Africa, we will have this in the Caucasus area, in the Himalayan, and in particular in Europe here, in the Balkan area. The dam construction will more or less double the electricity production through hydropower dam production. Indeed, freshwaters are probably the biggest kind of victims of the Paris Agreement, because we think it's a renewable energy, but it's not a climate-neutral energy. Flooded impoundments, in particular in the tropics and in the subtropics, release huge amount of greenhouse gases. And it's not an environmentally neutral or an environmentally friendly source either. And there's no correlation between the economy of a country and the hydropower dam construction, because the energy that will be produced will not serve primarily the local communities there. It's primarily used for export and for the industry.
Yeah.